Alright, so welcome back to the final video. Now we are not going to learn anything in this video. I just wanted to say thank you and wish you guys all the best. So let's do it PHP style. Thank you all the very best. So save it in the htdocs folder. Say thanks.php. Go to the browser, your local host, thanks.php. Right, so thank you all the very best. I hope you guys have learned something from this series. Again, if you have any doubts, any queries, or you need further references for learning PHP, because this was just the very basics. So if you need any such help, you can always ping me in the discussion section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Right, so thank you guys for watching this course and I'll see you next time.